Thank you. Where do you want it, Mum? I'm not sure she can cope with the smell like, but...
You're supposed to be looking after us as well. Don't worry about it. Look after without him. Oh, brilliant. It's much better. Except I've got to look up to you.
That's only the right way. You should...
The ears are at the side of their eye. Excuse me. The ears are at the side of their eyes. The left ear. The left ear is a little bit higher, and it's also shorter. It's also a little bit larger. They're proficient hunters because of sound, not actually sight. When she lands on the fist, we've got to handle the food. 1 metre to nothing, all of your owls, seriously, are virtually blind. They've got dreadful eyesight close to. Yet they'll see things in the sky that we cannot make out. They can turn their heads. Right, Jonathan. They can turn their heads 3/4 of the way around, which obviously is 270 degrees. He's up the hill. He's up the hill. Exceptional hearing, but very selective hearing. Hard work with something like this, I'll be honest with you. You've got to vibe the back of your head with it. Oh, they are stunning actually. They are beautiful things.
Fantastic. Look at those feathers.
Go and see Jonathan.
He goes.
Which post do you want Jonathan to go to? The middle one or the far one? Which one? The far one, Jonathan. Come on, Mum, pick your hand in. Other hand. There we go. Ready? His head, a little bit like the great grey owl, the head looks huge, the head's tiny. Way less than the size of a tennis ball. And seriously, you know, best part of that skull is taken up with the huge eye sockets, very large ear openings, and they're huge. It doesn't really leave a lot of room for a brain. And they're not the brightest creatures on the planet. Finn, Finn, thank you, we're waiting. If I look, it looks like it, doesn't it? Maybe that makes a change, doesn't it? Finn, please. But I'm sure you'll agree when he comes past you there, you hear nothing at all. Feathers covering his legs, covering his feet, as well as keeping them warm. Finn. Isn't that light? So we'll hold his food up. That's it. Boys first. Come on. All I'm going to do is that if you don't mind, I'm going to get him to snatch the food from the top of your hat. Oh, yeah. Is that all right? I do bless you. Lay down, bring it back, bring it back. Drop it, look at it, it's too heavy. Did it have a few holes in that? Right, see if we can get the drop it. Drop it, Oliver, drop it, drop it. We'll get it back for you, I promise you. I think we've only ever lost one, to be honest with you, in 11 years, so we haven't done much better than that one. Thank you very, very much, everybody. I'm going to finish off there.
Thank you.
To all the children, everybody. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, I would.
Such a little cutie, isn't he? He's lovely.
It's lovely. It's lovely.
Those aren't actually his ears.
No, these are his what's called ear tufts.
Right.
But his actual ears are just at the side of his eyes.
Alright.
Left ear slightly higher and slightly larger than the right ear, and that gives him asymmetrical hearing. So he hears a lot better than you and I. That means that the last sort of metre to nothing, where his eyesight isn't very good, he's still locating the food with his hearing. He can pinpoint exactly where it is. I mean, it doesn't matter in here because we hand them the food, but in the wild, that, you know, it would be critical. And these little whiskers here, like a little moustache, there is tactile feathers, so you feel with those, a bit like a cat feels with the whiskers.
Oh. I often wonder what he thinks when he's being
Do you know what
pelted
he'll
around.
think?
Where's the food?
Absolutely nothing. Because the saying, the wise old owl, is just a myth. They are as thick as two short planks. Very, very beautiful. Very proficient at what they do in the wild. But bless them, they are not very bright. Don't listen, Willow. Don't listen. He is beautiful and he's amazing, but when you're training an owl, you need the patience of a saint. Because you do something one day, you go back to repeat it the next day, and they look at you as if they've never done it before in their lives. So they're not very bright, but they're lovely.
I don't know how jumpy this one is. So it's going to...
Oh. There's that pal for you.
Thank you.
We had 3, but 2 of them were rehomed last. Was it Wednesday? No, last weekend. Because they're just about at that age now where they're ready to go.
Is it any particular breed? Any particular type?
Dutch lop-eared.
Right.
Both the mum and dad are. I mean, the ears on the babies, by the time they leave us at about 8 weeks, normally one ear has dropped and the other one's still sticking out. So they look extremely funny. But eventually they do, both of them will drop. But they're smashing. I mean, both the parents are lovely, lovely rabbits.
Yeah.
And we handle them from probably about 3 weeks once we start handling them. So when they leave us, they're just super, super tame. You know?
Yeah.
And we'll never have a problem finding good homes for them.
No.
They're always someone's after them.
I've sat and held Larry for many an hour, I think.
He's lovely, isn't he, Larry? I mean, that's why he's called Larry, because he's happy as Larry. You know, and he's the most laid-back rabbit you could ever imagine. You look just like him. Spitting image of you there. That ear started to drop.
Oh yeah.
And this one hasn't. They look quite comical when they leave us. Honestly, they are pure Dutch lop-eaters. Go on then, put your back.
Thanks very much, Kath. I'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ray.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you very much.
Oh, the demonstration was fantastic. It's the best I've ever seen.